What if I told you one of the most promising blockchain projects in crypto started as Telegram's ambitious attempt to revolutionize digital payments, was killed by regulators, then rose from the ashes to become a top 20 cryptocurrency? Today, we're deep diving into TON, the open network, and the recent drama that's been shaking up the crypto world. From billion-dollar partnerships that may or may not exist to massive bond offerings, TON has been making headlines. So let's break it all down. To understand TON, we need to go back to 2018. The Durov brothers, Pavel and Nikolai, the minds behind Telegram, had a vision. They wanted to create a blockchain that could handle millions of transactions per second and serve Telegram's massive user base. They called it the Telegram Open Network, and their plan was to launch a cryptocurrency called Gram. The project was ambitious, perhaps too ambitious for regulators. Telegram raised an eye-watering $1.7 billion through private token sales, making it one of the largest ICOs in history. But here's where things got interesting. The US Securities and Exchange Commission wasn't having it, and in October 2019, they obtained an emergency injunction, claiming that Gram tokens constituted an unregistered securities offering. The legal battle was intense, but Telegram ultimately threw in the towel. In June 2020, they agreed to pay back $1.2 billion to investors plus $18.5 million in penalties, and officially abandoned the project. Most companies would have called it quits, but this is where the story gets fascinating. Instead of letting their work die, Telegram open-sourced the entire codebase under the GPL license. The crypto community saw the potential and decided to continue the project independently. And so, the TON Foundation was formed, and they renamed the project the Open Network with its native token, Toncoin. So what makes TON special technically? Well, TON is a layer 1 blockchain that uses some seriously innovative architecture. At its core, it's something called an infinite sharding. Imagine a blockchain that can split into smaller pieces called shards to handle more transactions simultaneously. TON can theoretically support up to 2 to the power of 32 workchains, with each workchain capable of splitting into 2 to the power of 60 shard chains. What this means is huge scalability. The network uses a modified proof-of-stake consensus mechanism with Byzantine fault tolerance. This means validators are selected based on how much Toncoin they stake, and they participate in block production while keeping the network secure. What's clever is that the protocol upgrades happen through on-chain validator voting. It's truly decentralized governance in action. TON also features something called the TON Virtual Machine, or TVM, which is optimized for resource efficiency and asynchronous processing. Developers can write smart contracts in multiple languages, including Funk, Thift, Tact, and the newer Tolk language. Their message-driven architecture allows for scalable parallel interactions across shards, perfect for real-time applications. But here's what really sets TON apart. It's not just a blockchain, it's an entire ecosystem. You've got TON DNS for decentralized domain names, TON Storage for distributed file storage, TON Proxy for anonymous routing, and TON Payments for micropayments. It's like having an entire internet infrastructure built on blockchain. But it's TON's integration with Telegram that really sets it apart. Remember, Telegram has over 900 million monthly active users. That's nearly 1 billion people who could potentially access blockchain services directly through their messaging app. In April 2022, Telegram launched the Wallet Bot, allowing users to send and receive Toncoin directly within Telegram chats. In September 2023, they introduced TON Space, a self-custodial wallet embedded right inside the Telegram app as well. This means users can manage their crypto, interact with DeFi protocols, and use Web3 services without ever leaving their favorite messaging app. Now, think about the implications here. Most people find crypto wallets confusing and intimidating, but when you can send crypto as easily as sending a text message, well, that's potentially a game changer for mass adoption. Telegram users can buy Telegram Premium with crypto, participate in NFT trading, access decentralized applications, and even buy ads using Toncoin. This integration has created a unique value proposition. While other blockchains compete on technical metrics, Ton has direct access to one of the largest user bases in the world. It's bringing Web3 to the masses through an interface they already know and love. So let's talk numbers. Ton is trading around $3.30 with a market cap of approximately 8.2 billion, making it the 17th largest cryptocurrency. The token has seen significant growth with over 2.5 billion tokens in circulation and daily trading volumes exceeding $500 million. But the numbers tell an interesting story. Ton peaked at around $7.70 in 2024, meaning it's currently trading around 60% under its all-time high. This might seem concerning, but it's actually created what many see as a potential opportunity. The ecosystem has been growing rapidly. Daily transactions have increased from 100,000 to 1.2 million throughout 2024, and total value locked has surpassed $350 million. Major developments have been driving adoption too. Tether launched USDT on Ton in April 2024, bringing stablecoin functionality directly to Telegram users. The DeFi ecosystem has also been expanding, with platforms like Ston.fi becoming a major decentralized exchange, and liquid staking protocols like Kton offering additional yield opportunities. Gaming has been another massive driver. Projects like Notcoin created viral engagement, introducing millions of Telegram users to blockchain gaming through a simple tap-to-earn mechanic. This has shown the power of Ton's integration with Telegram for new user onboarding. Now, let's get to the recent drama that's been dominating crypto Twitter. On Wednesday, May the 28th, Pavel Durov made a bombshell announcement on X. He claimed that Telegram had struck a $300 million partnership deal with Elon Musk's XAI company to integrate Grok, the conversational AI tool, into Telegram. According to Durov's post, the deal would bring Grok to Telegram's billion-plus users, with Telegram receiving $300 million in cash and equity from XAI, plus 50% of revenue from XAI subscriptions sold through Telegram. Toncoin surged 21% in a matter of hours, jumping from around $3 to $3.65. But then came a plot twist. Elon Musk himself responded to the announcement with a simple but devastating statement. No deal has been signed, and the market reaction was immediate and brutal. Toncoin plummeted 7%, falling back to around $3.26. Durov quickly tried to clarify, stating that while no deal had officially been signed, it was agreed in principle, and that formalities are pending. But the damage was already done. Crypto Twitter erupted with criticism, with users pointing out that agreed in principle doesn't mean much in business, and some suggesting Durov had blown the deal by announcing it prematurely. The incident highlighted both the potential and the risks of Ton's close association with high-profile figures and companies. On one hand, such partnerships could be transformative for adoption. On the other hand, miscommunications can also cause significant market volatility. But you'll be happy to know it's not all drama, and there are some seriously bullish developments happening behind the scenes. Reports emerged that BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, is eyeing Telegram's $1 billion bond offering. This 5-year bond is being priced at a 9% yield, with proceeds going towards buying back older debt. The bond offering has already secured support from major players like Abu Dhabi's Mubadala, and rumours suggest the hedge fund Citadel might also be among the backers. If BlackRock, which already holds some Telegram bonds, deepens its investment, it would signal serious institutional confidence in Telegram's business model and, by extension, Ton's potential. This institutional interest comes at a time when Telegram's business metrics are also looking incredibly strong. Pavel Durov announced that Telegram has surpassed 15 million paying users, double last year's total, with $2 billion in projected revenue for 2025. These numbers demonstrate that Telegram isn't just a messaging app anymore. It's becoming a comprehensive digital platform. The Ton ecosystem is also attracting serious development talent and funding. The Ton Foundation has been actively supporting projects through grants and bounties, and the network has partnerships with major security firms like Certic, QuantStamp, and SlowMist for auditing smart contracts. So, where does this leave Ton? Despite the recent drama around the XAI partnership, the fundamentals remain strong. TON has something most blockchains can only dream of: direct access to nearly 1 billion users through their Telegram integration. The technical architecture is solid, the ecosystem is growing, and institutional interest is building. The challenges are, however, real too. Regulatory uncertainty remains, especially given Pavel Durov's ongoing legal issues in France. The dependence on Telegram could be seen as both a strength and a weakness too. And competition in the Layer 1 space is fierce, with projects like Ethereum, Solana, and newer entrants all vying for developer and user attention. But here's what's clear. TON has positioned itself uniquely in the crypto space. It's not just trying to be the fastest or the cheapest blockchain, it's trying to be the most accessible. And in a world where mass adoption is the holy grail of crypto, that accessibility through Telegram could be the key to unlocking Web3 for the masses. Whether recent partnership announcements materialize or not, TON's integration with one of the world's most popular messaging apps gives it a distribution advantage that is hard to ignore. The question isn't whether TON has potential, it's whether that potential can be realized in an increasingly competitive and regulated environment. So, what do you think? Is TON's Telegram integration enough to drive mass adoption, or will technical and regulatory challenges hold it back? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Coin Compass for more deep dives into the latest developments in crypto and DeFi. There are also other fantastic hosts that cover macroeconomics and live trading, so make sure to check them out too, and we will see you in the next episode.